Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about particles and thermal energy. And as you can see, I've included my webcam in this video so that Mr. Miller can finally see that it is me talking in these videos and not someone that I'm paying to do it for me. So thermal energy. So in any object, the particles that make it up are constantly moving, whether it's a solid and they're vibrating, or if it's a liquid or a gas where they're actually moving around each other. And the total energy of the motion in all these particles is called thermal energy. So the higher temperature that the object is, the more thermal energy it has. Meaning if you increase the thermal energy, the particles are going to move faster. So you may have tried to open a jar and no matter how hard you tried, you couldn't get the lid off the jar. And if you run it under hot water, you'll find that the lid twists off easier. And you might wonder why this works. When you increase the thermal energy of an object, the particles move faster. So this is why you were able to get the lid off the jar, because when the particles move faster, the space between them expands. So running the hot water over the lid of the jar caused the lid to expand, making it easier to twist off of the jar. The same thing happens when you cool the object. When you decrease the thermal energy, you cool the object, you decrease the thermal energy, and the particles slow down. So this causes the opposite of expansion, which is called contraction. So when the particles slow down, then they're not moving as fast, the space between them decreases. So an example of this is a balloon. If you have a balloon and you're in a high temperature, you've got this bigger balloon, but if you take it outside in the cold or if you put it in the fridge, then that balloon, the particles are going to slow down and the balloon is going to contract. It's going to get smaller. So you have 3 flashcards to do for this presentation: thermal energy, expansion, and contraction.